Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram keeps stopping send bug report to MI for analysis error. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Instagram keeps stopping and send bug report to MI, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open your Play Store, then search for the Instagram. If it is not updated, then update it from here. After updating, then go back. Just click on the settings, scroll down, you can see your apps, click on the apps, click on see all apps. In this you need to find Instagram. Just tap on this search button, then type here Instagram. You can see your Instagram, just click on that. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache. Once you need to tap on clear cache, then go back and restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. After restarting, if still you are facing the issue, then you can tap on clear data of your Instagram. For that, you just need to go to the settings, click on apps, then find Instagram. Just tap on the Instagram, tap on storage and cache. Here you can see before we have done clear cache, now we have to do clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Guys, if you tap on delete, your files and settings will be permanently deleted from this. Your Instagram ID will be logged out. After reading this carefully, if you are sure you want to delete this, you can tap on delete. After deleting, then you have to re-log in your Instagram ID. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram keep stopping and send bug report to MI for analysis. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.